number 7. What are they?
What are they?
They're oranges. What are they?
They are bananas. Yummy. Are they apples?
Yes, they are.
Are they oranges?
Yes, they are.
What are they?
They are pears.
Are they apples?
No, they are not. They are pears. Are they bananas?
No, they are not. They are oranges.
These are apples. These are bananas.
These are oranges. These are pears. Are they apples?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they bananas?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they oranges?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Apple, bananas, orange, pear.
Thanks for watching my video.
Here comes tomorrow with more exciting video.
Allah Hafiz.
Please like my video and subscribe my channel.
Allah Hafiz.
Please like my video and subscribe my channel.